What's going on YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be embroidering a hat using the BabyLock Alliance single needle machine. So this video is for the 7-fold lights candles, or the business name is Scarlet Ribbon Collection. So everything will be in a link below, their Instagram name as well as their website. So go check it out, guys, and just support, guys. So I do have something to say. So I did kind of start the video a little bit late because I had some technical difficulties in the beginning when starting up the machine, and I pressed go and was just watching the machine go and forgot to press go on the record button. So sorry about that, guys. So the video does start a little bit into the stitch out, but it's still a great video. So you guys stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for even watching and clicking on this video. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get into it. Coming out clean so far. I know you probably can't see it that well just because it is in reverse, but me standing over it, man, the detail is crazy. It's coming out great. And down in the description below, I will link the owner of the logo and their business. They do the candles, scented candles, so definitely check them out. They're amazing. I know I mentioned it on a video a while back, but this is their video today, so it's amazing. Like I said, the candle smells are great. It's very soothing and good for like a meditation type of feeling. So definitely check them out. Go ahead over to their website as well as their business page on Instagram. I will have all that down in the link below. Not gonna lie, this is probably like my second time using the cap hoop, and it's coming out crazy good right now. Might be my favorite toy right here is this cap hoop. So definitely stay tuned, guys. More videos ahead. And hey, all I can say is welcome to the family, brother. BabyLock Alliance. You know what I mean? So definitely thank you guys again for the support and the continual feedback. So I do appreciate that, guys. And yeah, more videos coming soon, and hopefully more upgrades and more equipment coming soon as well. So hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Thank you, guys. Alrighty, everything is done. I know you heard the music playing, sweet music, you know what I mean? So everything is finished. So let me go ahead and take the hoop back over to the cap assessment and put that on there and show you guys the final result. Let me go ahead and just push away. Okay, turn it. Slide it out. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, this is the front of the hat. Whew, man, quality. Came out good. Stop blurring. There we go. Came out dope. So flip it. Line it up. And hold on. This is the hard part. So if you could probably see this right here is brackets, rollers, and it's a small hole. Let me see if I can show you that part. It's a hole here. So you have to push it on. Well, line it up again. Make sure it's flat. And it should hear a pop when it's in place. There we go. So that's all good there. Then release the top part. Take this off. And just take your hat out. So I'll show you guys the hat in a minute. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let me know what you guys think about the hat. Oh, sorry, forgot. Put a clip on it to keep it tight on the hoop, the hat hoop, the frame. So let me know what you guys think about the hat. You know, come on now, come on, focus, please. There we go. All right, let me know what you guys think. How did it turn out? Look good. I think it came out pretty well. I know you guys could probably see in that background that wonderful candle. Man, it's amazing. The smell is crazy. Jerusalem Nights. Guys, like I said, go check out their website. There, it is in the description below, and also their Instagram page as well. So please do that, guys. The support is crazy. Once again, guys, I thank you guys so much, just like I said, for the support and everything. So I mean, how you support me, I'm just trying to support others and just, you know, give the support back. So once again, guys, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.